In Switzerland, high-tech lives in the midst of idyllic, peaceful surroundings. It is surprisingly challenging to design and build a complex PCB assembly and get it right the first time. Component shapes can misalign their solder pads. Solder pads can be covered or blocked by other components. Test points can be missing or obstructed, or any number of other manufacturability issues can occur. The solution for right first-time production is to create a virtual board with accurate component shapes which ensures that everything fits correctly, like a Swiss watch. The Valor MSS Solution Suite by Mentor Graphics is a comprehensive design-to-manufacture software. The data preparation module prepares the optimal manufacturing process and enables the PCB production to be verified in a virtual world.
My name is Nigel Robson. I'd like to welcome you to Escatec, located at Heerbrugg, here in the heart of Switzerland. Escatec is a contract manufacturer of high-volume, high-quality electronics. They offer high-mix, medium-volume production and also R&D services to help customers develop their products. They're a long-term user of the Valor V-Plan solution. Today I'd like to show you how the Valor data preparation module enables Escatec to achieve its twin goals of right first-time production and maximum yield, along with a smooth transition to high-volume production in Malaysia.
I want you to hear first from Gerhard Klauser. He is the General Manager of Escatec Electronics here in Switzerland. He directs the Electronic Competence Center for the entire Escatec group.
Here at Escatec we call ourselves an engineering company. As such, the NPI process is very important with this high mix, low volume production which we have here, mainly with industrial electronics, defense electronics, medical products. All of our customers are well-known global multinationals, either from Europe or from the US. Our strategy is to provide world-class vertical integrated services. We are operating in a very competitive market. Excellent productivity in engineering, therefore, is of essence. For us, speed is really the name of the game. So technology must be ready and validated before it is designed into a new product for the first time. We have a setup where we can do things first time right, so we do not have to have too many design loops, and if there is any issue in the design, we should discover it as an early stage, because the earlier I can identify problems, the cheaper it will be to fix them. Our ultimate aim is to be able to produce lot size 0. Lot size 0 you only can do if you have no setup time, so 0 setup time, and if you have 0 defects.
The process preparation module uses data models of the actual shapes and sizes of components for each placement on the PCB. These accurate component modules come from the Valor database and are virtually placed on the PCB to simulate the assembly process. The software checks the footprint and fit on the PCB so that any mismatch can be identified early and the design corrected before a single PCB is actually made. The PCBs can then go straight into production using pre-validated assembly programs generated by the software, without expensive trial runs to get the bugs out of a new product introduction. The same SMT programs are then used in Escatec's volume production facilities in Asia. Now let's hear from Dr. Martin Mundlein, Section Head Engineering and Prototyping for Escatec. Martin has been the Chief Engineer responsible for the implementation of the Valor solutions into the Escatec process engineering workflow.
We are talking about an increased pace of NPI runs we have. So maybe what was 100 NPI runs some years ago, it's now 200. If you only encounter problems with your very first board, then it's too late. It's too late regarding time, it's too late to make changes in your design, in your BOM. Maybe you have to buy in additional components, all these things, and if you do it like that, then That's a big issue. But now with Valor software, we flip this relation, so most of the work can be done in office and only a small portion is still to be done on the machine. So the time you spend on the machine is minimized. So if we need in the past 8 hours preparation time, we are now talking about maybe 3 hours, which we need to bring up a new program. That's a really big improvement. So if I look at the Valor solution, at the vPlan, then it's more than just generating an assembly program. It makes actually a simulation of the complete assembly. So a lot of assembly issues you would have in production you will see in an early stage. The thing I like most with the vPlan is actually the virtual sticky tape, since this gives you the most obvious improvement of your processes. It shows you all wrong footprints, all wrong orientations, all shifts in position, and that's in a really early stage and not on the first board you get out of the machine. Another side effect of the vPlan is the possibility to create assembly drawings or work instructions. We have our own template with our own rules, and every assembly drawing, every work instruction has the same look and feel, and this makes it much easier for the production people to work with it. If we talk about transfer of products between lines, we can also talk about transfer between different facilities. With the Valor vPlan solution we can share the knowledge and all the informations we gained in the MPI spin. So that means you do all the MPI preparation in Switzerland, and then you move the complete product with the knowledge you have with this product to another facility. Simplified component shapes usually means more complex processes. With that developments, we need strong partners in doing that, and with Valor we have a really strong partner really standing on top of the technology, improving our processes together with us.
So it's good to hear that vPlan is making life at Escatec easier and more efficient. Thanks very much for watching.